In 1986, the movie Crossroads introduced millions of people to the legendary story of the Mississippi Delta. The idea of a musician coming to the crossroads to make a deal that would change his life. For Stuart and Mark, two Australians who shared a love of guitars and blues music, the movie made a lasting impression. In 2018, Stuart and Mark met in a guitar store in Australia. They discovered that they shared this fascination with crossroads and the music of the Mississippi Delta. That same year, they made the remarkable decision to travel from Australia to Mississippi to see the places they had seen in the movie.
This is it. This is the crossroads. Stuart and I have made it. It was a bit of an effort getting here, but this is the location. Back in this peak is our DNA. We both got our blood in this. We're going to come over here, we're going to bury this pig. Well, Stuart and I are leaving the crossroads. Very special moment for both of us. Many a deal has been done at those roads. Stuart and I made our own deal today. A deal that only him and I will know about. And I have to say, it's one of the most graceful, divine, important days of my entire life. Thank you, my brother. Welcome.
When we left the crossroads that day and Mark thanked me in the car, all I could think about was what a mind-blowing experience it had been, and a fulfillment of a dream that he had had for a long time, and a dream that he let me share in and helped make come true, make it a reality, and be something that was not only special to him, but very, very special to me.
They filmed their journey, and when they returned to Australia, their trip became a production called Mississippi Miracle. Today, I'm retracing part of that journey from a different perspective. I filmed the crossroads location outside Beulah that is associated with the movie. I've also filmed another place identified as a crossroads, the intersection of Highway 8 and Highway 1. And another location down a gravel road across from Dockery Plantation. So what is the connection between all of these places? The answer isn't necessarily about proving which crossroads is the one true crossroads. The important connection is the story the movie created, the legend that grew around the Delta, and the way that the story inspired two friends halfway around the world to come here themselves. Stuart and Mark didn't simply watch Crossroads. They followed the story all the way to Mississippi. And for Mark, this journey carried an even deeper meaning. He had been diagnosed with cancer before their trip. After returning to Australia, he was cancer-free for a time. Sadly, the cancer eventually returned. At the crossroads, Stewart had made Mark a promise that one day he would play guitar at Mark's funeral. When Mark passed away, Stewart kept that promise. So when I stand here today and film these roads crossing in the Mississippi Delta, I don't just see an intersection. I see a connection between a movie made in 1986, two friends who traveled from Australia in 2018, and a promise that was made here and eventually kept. That's what the crossroads means to me.